I'm going to explain what RTI is. A lot of parents have questions about what RTI is and what it stands for. RTI is the response to intervention. This is the process which intervention specialists use to identify students with disabilities. The first step is Tier 1, and in Tier 1 it's in the general classroom. All students are part of Tier 1. That's where they're receiving their general education. They're receiving multiple strategies such as direct instruction, whole group, small group, one-on-one, peer tutoring, and if a child is having problems in the general classroom, the teacher is responsible for making documentation and trying different strategies and different techniques for that student. If that student continues to struggle, that's when we move into the next tier, which is Tier 2. Tier 2 is where we start to possibly begin forming an IEP and the Iep process. Students in Tier 2 are still receiving help from they're still receiving general education, and they are also getting help from the intervention specialist, whether that be related services. Maybe they're getting speech therapy, occupational therapy, maybe they're being pulled for math and reading. So that Tier 2 is the step where students are being identified and they are in the process of getting their IEP. And the last tier is Tier 3. That's when all strategies have been exhausted. General education work is not working. They are having problems still in special ed with the special ed teacher, the intervention specialist, and they need to possibly be moved into a full resource room where they can receive the services. So there are 3 tiers in the RTI process.